Good morning, student. First topic is food. Introduction. All living beings need food to get energy to maintaining their body for doing work. The food which we eat in now as diet. We need food not only to get energy but also for the growth and development of our body. Food is necessary for formation of new cell. The food which we take repairs injured cell of our body. The energetic food in our diet consists of various types of essential elements that are utmost for our body terms as nutrients. It also regulates the various activities of the body. An individual should take a balanced diet which has all the essential nutrients: protein, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, vitamin and water in right proportion for proper growth and development. Next topic है meaning of balanced diet. Balanced diet, a diet which consists of all the essential food element, for example protein, carbohydrates, vitamin, fat, minerals and water in a proportionate amount, which is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet must contain all the essential element in proportionate amount. It means getting the proportionate amount of food and drink to supply nutrition and energy for maintaining body, cell, tissues, organs, for supporting normal growth and development. Cooking of food is also necessary because it sterilizes and softens foodstuffs and makes it easily digestible. Importance of balanced diet. A balanced diet is important because it enables us to meet our detailed nutritional need and enjoy an overall quality of life. A balanced diet provides proper sleep, prevention from natural disease and helps control weight. Detailed explanation of these points is as follow. First है quality of life. A balanced diet is a foundation of good health and well-being. Taking in a balanced diet is utmost important as it enables us to enjoy life by providing sufficient energy. Next step, meeting nutritional need. Our daily food intake should include grain, fruit, milk or other dairy products, vegetables, beans, oil and protein. Healthy food contain vitamins and minerals that boost up immunity and serve as natural protectives for many common illness. नेक्स्ट है वेट कंट्रोल. उसके आगे है प्रॉपर स्लीप, डिजीज प्रिवेंशन. ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे को बैलेंस डाइट से मिलती हैं. स्पोर्ट एंड न्यूट्रिशन. न्यूट्रिएंट्स को दो भागों में डिवीज़न किया गया है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है ईटिंग हैबिट्स. हेल्दी ईटिंग हैबिट्स. ईटिंग ए वैरायटी ऑफ वेजिटेबल, especially dark green, red and orange vegetable, more serving a day. Eating a variety of fruit. Eating a whole grain, higher fiber bread. Drink fat free or all fat milk and eat all fat dairy product. Choose from variety of low fat sources of protein including egg, beans, poultry without skin, seafood, lean meats, unsalted without skin, seafood. Reduct intake of fat grain, use vegetable oil, reduce dairy intake, research element